In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your workspace URL on Slack. Whether you're setting up integrations or simply sharing your workspace details, knowing where to find this URL is crucial. Let's go through the process together, step by step, so you'll never have to search for it again. First, open Slack and look at the top left corner of the app. You'll see the name of your workspace displayed there. This is your gateway to accessing a variety of settings and details about your workspace. Now, go ahead and click on the workspace name. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options related to your workspace. Next, as you hover over the menu, you'll see various sections, including tools and settings. This is where you'll need to direct your attention. It might be tempting to rush, but take a moment to ensure you're hovering over the correct section, as there are multiple options available. Now, with a gentle click, select Workspace Settings. This action will initiate the opening of a new browser tab. In this tab, you'll find an array of settings and information related to your Slack workspace. Now, here's where you want to focus: the address bar at the top of this new tab. This is where your workspace URL is displayed. The URL in the browser address bar is specific to your Slack workspace. It's a unique identifier that connects directly to your workspace environment. It's essential to make sure you copy it accurately if you're planning on sharing it or using it for any setup processes. And there you have it. You've successfully located your workspace URL on Slack. It's a simple process once you know where to look, but it's absolutely vital for various administrative and collaborative tasks within Slack. If you ever need to access this URL again, just repeat these steps. By getting familiar with your workspace settings, you'll not only find your URL easily, but also become more adept at navigating Slack's interface to manage your workspace more effectively. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to practice these steps the next time you're on Slack, and soon enough, it will become second nature. If you have more questions about Slack or any other tools, feel free to check out our other videos, where we continue to explore the intricacies and functionalities of workspace management tools. Until next time, take care and happy Slacking.